In this video, we're going to make our experiment 2, the breadboard experimenter. Here are the materials needed. Jumper wires, an 8 pieces LED lights, and also an 8 pieces 1K ohm resistors, a solid wire, a 74LS08N IC, our power supply, and lastly, our breadboard. Now, get your solid wire and turn it like this. So it is easy to insert it in our breadboard. Insert the red wire on our power rail and our black wire on our ground rail. Now get your power supply and insert the red wire in your power rail and the black wire on your ground rail, just like this. Now get your LEDs and insert it on the side and the right side, left side of your breadboard, just like this. Just remember that uh, the the shorter the shorter one needs to connect to the ground rail, and the longer one in the row rail. Yes. Just like this. Now get your 1K ohm resistors and connect it to the opposite side of your breadboard. but only now use the power rail to power your LEDs. And just like so. Now let's test it. Let's test it if all LED works and it light up. As you can see, our LED light up. Now let's get to the second part of the experiment, which is by using the 74LS08N IC. Insert it in between this vein so that it so that it has different it has a different source of wires. Okay. Now once again, uh, cut a piece of the solid wire and turn it like this, like smaller ones. Okay. Connect your red wire on your on the VCC of 74LSIC. And do the same on the negative, which is on the opposite side below, just like this. Now, just for now, remove these four resistors for it to for us to test this end gate really works. Get your jumper wire and connect the other side. I connect this part of this part side of the jumper wire on the positive rail or the power rail and connect it to the LED. Now get another set of jumper wire, connect it to the your green jumper wire, connect it uh, to your A A input on your IC, and the blue wire on your B input on your IC. Now put back the the 1K ohm resistor on one of your LED to see if the AND gate really works. Now on your IC, the third part is the output of your AND gate, just like so, and put it here, just like this. See, okay. Now let's try if it actually works. As you can see, it actually works. This is your A input and this is your B input. Thus, it output the end gate. And that's all. Thank you.